something in the fridge.
Is there anything?
Let me check. Wait a second. Oh no. Luke ate all of the food.
Dang it, no food, so. Uh-oh, it's happening again.
Ah, what was that? Was that a dragon?
No, it's my stomach. Ow, on my stomach. UNNM, call Daniel right now.
Hello? Den 5 ELLLLLLLLLLLLLL. Will you food? Calm down. Okay, sorry. Was up? Your friend's stomach is growling so bad. Abe vival and no Abe 5 alumni 5 and deep eel nerdu. Dan? Sorry. Now. So who is it? It's Irish from Burger Brawl. Oh no. Irish's stomach is loud every time she's hungry. Yep. Okay, I made the scratch mark order. Food is coming. Okay. This is Aaron, signing off. Daniel said he bringing the food.
Yeah, let's. But the hunger of my foodless stomach is still growing. And soon, when scratch mark comes, this foodless stomach growling is gone.